Hello, Aditya. How are you?
I'm good, sir. How are you?
I'm fine too. Let's first me give my introduction. My name is Ramakant. I am teaching maths from last 15 years. I'm having students across the world like UK, USA, Canada, Malaysia, Singapore, Dubai, and now I'm adding you. Let's have some maths questions. And before that, can you please give me your introductions?
I'm Aditya Negi. I'm from Australia, and I'm here to be taught by Sir right here. I hope I understand.
Yes. I will try my level best to make the things very much easier for you. So what the
Thank
topic that you have given me that it's linear equation with in algebra. Let's start with few questions that I am having. Let's try to solve them and let's analyze how we can proceed further. Okay,
you. Okay.
thank you. So the first question that itself says when a number uh, when 5 is added to 3 more than a certain number, the result is 19. What should be the number? Uh, because this is the first question, I am going to tell you how we are going to proceed. Then we have more questions with us. Then you have to try and let's see where do you stand with this. Okay.
Okay.
When 5 is added to 3 more than a certain number, make it short what they want to ask to find a number. We have to assume it as X. The most important thing that the thing we are not aware of. We want to see it. We want to have it. So what we are going to do is we are going to put or consider it as X. Now let's start with, let this be the number. X be the number. And how we are going to do with this? When 5 is added, okay, we have to add 5 somewhere here. Added to 3 more than a number. Added to 3 more. Now they have added again. What do you mean by more? More means addition. Added also means addition. They have put in a very nice way. When 5 is added to 3 more than a certain number, the number is this. The result is here is shows equal to, is always represents equal to, that is 19. Okay. So what it wants to say, when 5, we have written 5 is added, we put addition operator to 3. Now 3 we have written more than also says the addition. Then a certain number, we have considered the certain number as X. The result is 19. So the result is represents the equal to sign and the answer is 19. That's how you are going to make your mathematical expression or algebraic expression. Now when you add, what would be 5 plus 3?
A
8. Excellent. Super. And this will be what we get. This is
so
the
X would be 11.
superb. What we do, we shift the digit from the left hand side to the right hand side. Superb. The answer is absolutely right. We are going to do it because this is a maths and we have to write the steps. Although the answer is absolutely right, if you got these questions like in MCQs, you can do it very fastly. But while you are having written exams for these, you have to write the proper steps to score full mark. Okay, make it short. We
Okay.
always going to write the full steps so that there should be step marking also there in mathematics, and we should follow. Now the second question is, let's start with, if 5 is subtracted from 3 times. Now see the words. I want you should try and give me the logics, whatever that comes in your mind. I'm going to write it, no problem as such. But I just want you should give me a try for this. Is it second question visible to you?
Yep.
Okay, just go for it.
Um, so I think it should be 5
Okay,
minus
okay,
because like
Okay.
Minus is the operator there.
Okay.
5 minus 3x, because certain number would be x, and
Okay.
3 times would be 3x,
Okay.
equals 10.
Or
And so then if you move the 5, if you minus 5 on both sides, you'll get
okay.
minus,
Okay.
yeah,
Let's
you'll get minus, yeah, you'll get minus 3x equals to 5.
okay. And what would be the answer?
The answer would be equal to minus 5/3.
5/3. Now, this is what you have attempted. I just want to ask you, there is a word from. There is a word from. Now, what do you get it from? Exactly. What do you get from the word from?
Oh, I see, I see, I see. I made the mistake. It's 3x
Okay.
minus,
Superb. That's the thing. That's the thing. That's why I haven't stopped you in between. The way you have solved, that was your attempt. But I
yes,
don't
that's
want
the
to.
mistake.
Now that's the thing. That's the best thing you can try for. The equation should be 3x minus 5 should be equal to 10.
Yeah.
Okay. In this case, what would be the value of x?
Uh, the value of x would be 5.
Superb, superb, superb. This is the difference. When we start solving these questions, make it short, English, and reading it very properly. We should be able to understand what it's trying to tell you. These
Yeah,
questions are seems to be very easy, but they are sometimes tricky, and we get trapped into it. So it's
yeah,
always good to read the question. That's why I always mark the things. When you subtract, you know that we have converted 3 times shows multiplication. The certain number we have x, the result is 10. Super. You tried it in a very nice way. That's absolutely good. Now, can you try for the third one?
it'll be 6x minus 18 equals to negative 42.
When 18 is subtracted from 6 times a certain number. Superb, superb. The result is going to be minus 42. What is going to be? You have made the right equation. Now let's solve it as soon as possible. What it will be?
So you
X.
plug 18 both sides.
Okay, superb. I'm just shifting it on the other side. Just
Yeah,
doing it. Then
you'd get 6x equals to, oh, my brain's blanking.
no issues. You can just try. You can just try. Give a try for it. What it would be?
Sorry, sir. I always forget the
No
easiest
issues.
math.
It will be 24. It will be
Yeah,
24 only. It's
24.
going to be
Sorry, sorry.
negative 24. Why?
Because it's negative 42 plus, and negative 42 is the bigger number here.
Yes, because the value is more. Negative value is more than the positive one. So we have to put the negative sign here. And then we
Yep.
are going to get
X
x
is minus 4.
equals to minus. Superb, superb. That is what the answer should be. For the next two questions, I just want you to make the equations and we will see where how much you have learned it from it. No issue. Just go for it. The question number 4.
Uh, certain number added twice to itself equals 96. So then, eh, would it be x plus 2x?
Superb, superb, superb. Added means addition. Twice is here. 2 itself. So it's going to be 2x. Superb. That's the thing. It's going to be 3x. And what should be
Equal.
the value?
The value would be 30, no, yeah, 32.
It's going to be 30. It's going to be 32. Superb. So we have solved this as well. Now, can you help me in solving the fifth one?
Okay. Hmm. So it'd be x plus x
Okay.
plus 2x
Okay.
plus 4x
Superb.
equals to negative 104.
Superb. Superb. A number x plus itself, again x plus 2x, very good, and plus 4x is going to become. How much should I write on the LHS side?
8x
Superb. Very good.
equals 1.
Fantastic. And what should be the final answer?
It will be 13. Negative 13.
Superb. Superb. It's going to be negative 30. That's the way what we are going to get. So I'm stop sharing the screen and